X motor. This is the YL motor plugged into Y2. YR motor is plugged into Y1. The Z motor is plugged into Z. And we have the Z limit, the Y limit, and the X limit at the bottom. This is power, ground. Then we have X motor. That one runs to this far inside one, if I can show it. So X motor. That's this one. Let's see if I can get a good. Yep, so that goes into X motor. We have Z limit plugged into Z limit. Then we have Z motor plugged into Z motor. Let's see here. Then we got Y motor that comes through here. That is plugged into, where are we here? Okay, so YL motor that's coming through there, plugged into YL motor down here. This black wire is plugged into the X limit. So this one coming out of here. I think that's everything on this side. Up here, I have the Z limit plugged into Z, the Z motor plugged into the Z motor switch, and X motor plugged into the X motor switch. Go to the other side. We got this plugged into there, which obviously this is the YL motor, and the YL motor goes across, and then it's just the router cable.